Joy TV. Entertainment never dies. HY TV. Entertainment never dies.
Your love go killing me, yeah. Now you go marry, Your love go killing me, yeah. Now you go marry,
Things we do in love.
You've been here for long, right? It's not easy. Oh, you're looking so beautiful this year.
Let's not talk about beauty.
Why are you crying? You are what? Hallelujah! 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 To my success! Hey!
You don't love me. I said I'm pregnant and you are just jubilating over it.
I heard something very interesting, something very sweet, something very crystallized to my ear. Boom, 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 boom. That's how my eardrum sounds. This is so sweet.
You just don't know what you're talking about.
So am
I can't keep it. My mom will kill me. Sorry. I can't keep it.
So now, if the problem is your mom, I can talk to her.
My friends, you know I can't keep it. Please.
You don't know what you're talking about. You have no idea. There are rich people in this world who are ready to pay millions of dollars to say what you are just saying, to give their husbands such good news. And you have gotten this on a silver platter and you're saying what? So now please, please. See, I know you are saying this because you know I have nothing and I think I can take very good care of you. But trust me, if this is the case, stop crying. If this is the case, I'll go to town, do whatever work to keep you up and the baby. Okay, please.
You know all my friends are getting married before giving birth. Look at me.
If that's what you want, I can talk to Mama Ba. Mama Ba and Villa, we can raise some money and start this organization to get that dignity and respect you want. The baby is innocent. It is very sinful. The Bible speaks against abortion. We can do this.
If you love me, you won't tell me that I should keep it. Please. Please.
Stop saying those things. Stop saying getting ready. It's like a nightmare on me, please. So now listen. Calm down. Calm down. Just calm down, right? Calm down. I will take care of the baby and everything. We are not getting rid of anything. That's all.
Please. You're not getting it. You're not getting it. I don't want it. Get up. I don't want to get it.
First time when I see you, I don't know say it be you. Second time when I ask of you, before they say it be you. Third time when I close to you, before they say it be you. ako mega view. Mega do jadeke deke ako nena view. Sophia, ako mega view. Mega do jadeke deke ako nena view. Ela mena manya ben nenya kuno tokuno. Mega do jadeke deke ako nena view. Ela mena manya ben nenya kuno tokuno. Mega do jadeke deke ako nena view. This one will be wonder. I no go fi surrender. I no go fi toss it bed down. If I ever toss it knee down, but you go be under my control. Masika mother coco, baby girl, let's go to my ghetto. I will never ever let you go. This one will be wonder. I no go fi surrender. I no go fi toss it bed down. If I ever toss it knee down, but you go be under my control. Masika mother coco, baby girl, let's go to my ghetto. I will never ever let you go. For school, now my teacher they teach me say 1 + 1 is equal to 2. Now for the marriage, now my papa they teach me say 1 + 1 is equal to 1. Hey, now you be my yo, never deny yo. Now my woman oh, you be the one I want to. Now you be my yo, hey, never deny yo. Now my woman oh, you be the one I want to.
What's the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what? What is my slippers doing in your hand?
What do you mean by what am I doing with your slippers?
What is my slippers doing in your hand?
Does your slippers have wings to fly into my hands?
I have to ask you that question. How did you get my slippers in your hand?
Oh.
Hey, Mama, but you die. Were you driving? Or you were trying to hold something? Or possibly you were diving as a goalkeeper?
There is this particular girl I keep seeing in my dreams. She keeps appearing.
I see. I now understand. The 2 days Kokunte, who ate it?
You don't understand. Her rasta on her head, the way she smiles, her dark color. Hey.
That 2 days Kokunte, 5 days Fufu is having an effect on you negatively.
This girl.
It's about who?
There is this particular girl I keep seeing. Very beautiful, dark in complexion.
Good morning, family.
Morning. How's the sleep?
Where is Zita?
Zita? Has any of you seen her this morning?
Say, she's enjoying her hiding.
I think she is. Oh, there she comes.
Oh, my sweet angel.
Hey.
Come. Where have you been?
I was inside my room tidying up.
Oh, okay.
No, don't need to stress yourself. The maids are supposed to do that.
let's take it to be an exercise.
Oh. Yes, Auntie. Exercise is good for the body.
Yes.
Hey. I hope you haven't forgotten that this coming Wednesday is your birthday.
Oh, not at all.
Good. You know what? I'm throwing a very big party for your birthday. And that's not all. Big surprise for you.
Oh, God, thank you.
No.
Go killing me, eh? Now go marry, eh? First time when I see you, I don't know say it be you. Second time when I ask of you, before they say it be you. Third time when I close to you, before they say it be you.
Who are you and why are you asking for Larry? Are you coming with the police?
You are safe. I've looked everywhere for him. And I know you are his friend. So once I see you here, I know definitely he's around.
Madam, see this early morning with your long grammar, you no go solve anything. You no fit even solve mathematical equation. What you for do be say, see this money I make hot. I dey find money go chop that old woman we did that corner there in Gobe. Gobe, I won't go chop some. I no get money, oh. I make hot.
What language do you want me to speak in?
Swahili.
I need to tell him an important message, please.
Oh, what is it?
I've been there. He's not there. So I thought he's here with you.
Listen, this is not where Larry lives. So. Me, I'm here to sell a phone to a friend.
I don't think we need anything. Everything is already intact.
Are you sure?
Yes. The decorations as well. We don't need anything. Thank you. Sure.
Whoa. So he has already put things in order to spend on her. We shall see.
It is sexy. It's too bad.